Today we're going to be talking about a plethora of news from Shiba Inu Coin. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. Before I get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please leave a comment of how many Shiba Inu coins you have, how many you want to have, and then also consider leaving a like and subscribe as it really helps with the growth of the channel. And make sure you guys comment down below how many Shiba Inu coins you have, as we're trying to see how strong the Shiba Inu coin army is. We know it's extremely strong, but we're trying to see how strong. Leave that comment. And if you guys are interested in getting some free Shiba Inu coin, then go ahead and get signed up with Public with the first link in the description. When you deposit $1 on the platform, you're going to get up to $70 worth of free stock. I've personally gotten a $50 stock once, and then you can basically just sell that stock and then invest it into Shiba Inu Coin, because Public now has Shiba Inu Coin on their platform. So use that first link in the description. With all that out of the way, let's get into our crypto for today, which is going to be Shiba Inu Coin. And here we are on public.com, and we can see we have a bit of a bull flag forming here, but we'll talk about that in just a second, or at the end of the video. And then we're going to be just going over a ton of different news from today, so strap in. We're going to get into a lot of that stuff. Stick around till the end of the video. But you guys know what we got to do first. We're going to be checking Stock Twits and Lunar Crush. By the way, we are not sponsored by any of these websites we're about to be looking at. We are sponsored, however, by the last website we looked at, Public. Use that first link in the description. Anyways, we can see here that Shiba Inu Coin is the second most active cryptocurrency or stock on Stock Twits. They're the first most active, first most active cryptocurrency on Stock Twits, and there is no other cryptocurrency even in the top 10, because it's actually a pretty bad day in the crypto markets, but not for Shiba Inu Coin. We're doing extremely well with Shiba Inu Coin. Now we can see here on Lunar Crush that we are the third trending cryptocurrency or altcoin on Lunar Crush, so that is something we really like to see. And then also, if this decides to load, also you guys can see here, this purple line is doing extremely well for Shiba Inu Coin right here. So whenever this purple line is above the blue line, I do expect the price to rise. Shib is trending number 3 on Lunar Crush, and also the social volume is high according to Lunar Crush as well. All right, but let's get into the news for today. We have a lot of news for today. Check out my other video if you want to see my take on the whole Vital Buterin being secretly involved with Shiba Inu Coin. Definitely check out my take on that. I think it's pretty okay. But really cool thing, DCX, we heard you. We will be listing Shib by Friday on the DCX app. Just yet another exchange, and this is an Indian exchange, so tapping into a whole new market here. I definitely think we're going to be seeing 1 million holders for Shiba Inu Coin very, very soon, especially with this new listing. And then not only that, this is kind of some really cool news. Update, we've been privately been told about a major celebrity investor who will be publicly supporting Shib soon. Make sure you follow us for more details, blah, blah, blah. It's not Elon Musk, they say, but it's someone close to his level. So who could possibly be this celebrity investor that's going to publicly support Shib? I don't know, but I would get ready. Possibly could be Kanye West, like we talked about yesterday. Who knows? But I'm getting ready for a possible pump in Shiba Inu Coin's price, especially with that news right there. Not only that, Stephen Cooper, who, if you guys didn't know, is facilitating a massive burn. It's like a burn party for a whole week. You can basically pay $5 and 100% of the money that they get will be burned. And yeah, he basically said that I know no one wants to hear this, but it's honestly a good thing that Shib is dipping right now. He was talking about this yesterday. Our money will go a lot further on the burns, and we'll be able to burn much more. So the fact that, you know, it dipped right when the initial burn party started is definitely a good thing, because we were able to burn a lot more of the supply, which is definitely a good thing for Shiba Inu Coin. And that's just another piece of news that we really, really like to see. I believe there's one more thing I wanted to talk about here. Oh yeah, this is a cool thing. Shib is recovering much faster than Bitcoin and Ethereum. Ethereum, however, right now is recovering pretty nicely. Oh yeah, breaking, there's a billboard for Shib on one of the biggest buildings in Detroit today. Super, super awesome. And I think that's pretty much it for the news for today. Obviously, I went over this article in our last video. That was its own video, but right now I'm kind of just going over all the news on Shib that I have seen today. And I found another piece on Stephen Cooper. Stephen Cooper is doing a lot for the Shiba Inu Coin community. He is doing a lot of stuff here that is super awesome. And he said, "I'm pleased to announce that we've partnered with an NFT company to auction a one-of-one burn party NFT. The auction will run from 7 days from the end of our party on the 15th. 95% of the revenue from the auction will be burned." So, I mean, Stephen Cooper is doing a lot for the Shiba Inu Coin community. I really think we should all appreciate him. Something that's very cool here is that obviously the whole market is pretty much red for Ethereum, Bitcoin, everything. But Shiba Inu Coin is one of the lone bright spots, especially today. So definitely cool to see. But that's pretty much all I have for news on Shiba Inu Coin today. Let's get into the global crypto market and Shiba Inu Coin in general. You can see that not a good day in the global crypto market, down 4%. The global crypto market's sitting at about 2.85 trillion, which is still good. However, we're seeing just a bit of a correction since that dip yesterday. However, you can see in the last 24 hours, pretty much everything is red except for Shiba Inu Coin. Shiba Inu Coin is one of the lone bright spots in the crypto market today. Hopefully, we're going to be flipping Dogecoin soon. I could definitely see if we break out of this bull flag in a second. But first off, I do want to talk about the historical data and the volume. You guys can see here, the volume is up 100% day over day, and you guys know how important volume is to me. Whenever we're at 3 to 4 billion, we're just going to be on a slow downward trend. But when we're at $6 billion dollars in volume, there's going to be enough buying volume to really move this thing, especially 8%. If we can get this to about 8 to 12 billion, I really think we can be moving in the 20 to 30% range. So hopefully we get to that today. If not, maybe tomorrow we can get to that huge volume. But I really do think we're going to start to make our next run very soon, especially since we have 951,000 holders as of yesterday. We're going to be hitting 1 million holders soon, and that's going to make people even more bullish on Shiba Inu Coin in general. All right, but now let's go over some technical analysis. So obviously we have this this resistance and support line. This support line is very good. We bounced right off it yesterday, and now we're just seeing a lot of bullish movement today, which I really love to see. We are currently trending barely down on the MACD, but nothing too crazy. We pulled back a little bit after a big run up, and we now are ready to break out of this bull pennant or bull flag right here, and we are currently sitting at a 58 RSI, which is perfect because we don't want it to be above 70 already before we make our run. If we are at the 50 to 60 range, we can definitely make another run here. The volume obviously extremely high today, and we are in a bull flag that we are just waiting to break out of. Really, we need to break above the 56 level to really break out of this bull flag, and then I think we can see gains all the way up to 60, which would be at least another 10% in gains, which I definitely can see happening today. But yeah, this is pretty much what I'm seeing. A lot of bullish movement in the price today, a lot of volume, which I really love to see, and the volume is really picking up here. So hopefully we can get to 8 to 12 billion dollars in volume, break out of this bull flag, and at least get to the 60 level before maybe consolidating a bit. But hopefully we can just keep this volume rolling. But this is kind of what I'm seeing so far. But yeah, make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe, and also comment how many Shiba Inu coins you have, as we're trying to see how strong the Shiba Inu coin army is. Make sure you guys get your free stock with the first link in the description, because we are trying to get you guys some free Shiba Inu coin. So if you get that free stock, you can sell it and then invest it into Shiba Inu coin. Boom, everyone's happy. But yeah, that's pretty much going to be it. My name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next video.